Welcome back, dear children. So now Soapy wants a better decision, right? What is it? Better option to go to Blackwell's Island. The prison is the best place he likes there, right? But there are rules and regulations that has to be followed. Even then, he feels very comfortable there. So he decided to go to the island and to the prison. Okay, at once he started moving towards his wish. What is his wish? To go to prison, right? Shall we see what happened next? Right. Soapy does his best to be on the wrong side of the law. He tries 3 tricks, all in vain. The fear that no cop will ever catch him makes him sick at heart. So let us see what are the tricks he followed to go to the prison. Right? There are many easy ways of doing this. For going to jail, there are so many ways. What you have to do is you have to do something wrong, right? The most pleasant way was to go to a big hotel, have a good dinner, right? Super restaurant. You have to select a fantastic restaurant. You have to go and eat nicely, and you have to say that you had no money to pay. Then what happens? They'll call to the policeman. The police will come and catch you. This is what is his plan. So shall we read this? There were many easy ways of doing this. The most pleasant way was to go and have a good dinner at some fine restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money to pay. And then a cop would be called. It would all be done very quietly. The cop would arrest him. He would be taken to a judge. The judge would do the rest of the things. What he'll do? He will ask him to go to the jail. Where the jail is? Yes, Blackwell's Island. Fantastic. Right? So now till this you understood, dear? Right. Soapy left his seat and walked slowly out of the Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. Even now, he was in the park only. He felt very cool. Now, he started walking slowly after planning. Okay, what is his plan? He want to go to jail. For that, first plan is he has to search a very good restaurant and eat dinner there. Okay, and he should not pay money. That is what his first plan. For that, he was searching for a fantastic restaurant. He walked slowly out of Madison Square to the place where the great street called Broadway and Fifth Avenue meet. He went across his wide space and started north on Broadway. He stopped at a large and brightly lighted restaurant. This was where the best food and the best people in the best clothes appeared every evening. So every evening there will be the best people's best food with the best clothes. Isn't it? The order is right. The best food, the best people with the best clothes, okay, appeared every evening. So that was a best restaurant, one of the best restaurant. So he started going there. Soapy believed that above his legs he looked all right. His face was very clean. His coat was good enough. Okay, all the upper part was good. Physically, he was looking good. If he could get to a table, he believed that success would be his. So Soapy believed that above his legs, he looked all right. His face was clean, his coat was good enough. He looked very decent. He looked like a decent gentleman, right? But he could get a table for that. He believed that success would be that, right? We'll see what happened. The part of him that would be seen above the table would look all right. The waiter would bring him what he asked for. If he got the table, then the waiter would bring whatever you ask. Isn't it? Same way, the waiter will bring whatever Soapy asked. He began thinking of what he could like to eat. Uh, I want pizza, burger, or veg biryani. Some sort of thinking was going on what to eat. Okay, all fantastic dishes will be there. The famous dish I want to eat, that was his plan. In his mind, he could see the whole dinner. The cost would not be too high. He did not want the restaurant people to feel any real anger. So okay, he decided not to eat much. Okay, don't make the person be really very angry. So but the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter home. So but his stomach has to be filled. That was his real wish. So what happens, we'll read this paragraph again. The part of him that would be seen above the table would look all right. The waiter would bring him what he asked for. That means what? If you are decent, only then waiter also will respond you. He began thinking of what he would like to eat. In his mind, he could see the whole dinner. The cost would not be too high. He did not want the restaurant people to feel any real anger, but the dinner would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter home. What is a winter home here? Yes, yes, the same island. But as Soapy put his foot inside the restaurant door, the head waiter saw his broken old shoes and the torn cloths that covered his legs. Strong and ready hands turned Soapy around and moved him quietly and quickly outside again. So with lot of expectation like this, see here a coat, a man with a cap and a coat. This is what Soapy. Soapy was sitting in a table and this waiter. He thought of a plan of eating, but the waiter recognized him by seeing the old shoes and the torn cloths that covered his leg. So immediately, silently and quickly, the waiter pushed him outside again. Right? Is it clear? But as Soapy put his foot inside the restaurant door, so he entered into the restaurant, but the head waiter saw his broken shoes and the torn cloths that covered his leg. Strong and ready hands turned Soapy around and moved him quietly and quickly outside again. Now Soapy turned off Broadway. It seemed that this most easy way to island was not to be his. So again he has to think of some other restaurant, right? So he must think of some other way to get into the jail. So let us see what is it. So what he expected is going and eating in a fantastic restaurant. But what happens? The reality is they didn't allow inside the restaurant also. They pushed him out. Right? So that is what is reality. So he wanted to think of another plan. Next, at a corner of 6th Avenue was a shop with a wide glass window, bright with electric lights. Soapy picked up a big stone. The second plan next. The second plan was Soapy picked up a big stone and threw it through the glass. People came running around the corner. A cop was the first among them. Soapy stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. So at the corner of the 6th Avenue was a shop. It was a bright, super electrical lights was there. All glasses were there. So what happened? Soapy picked a big stone and threw it in the glass. What happens then? Everybody were running. People came running around the corner of the shop. A cop was the first among them. So always when there was a crime or there was a mistake happened in any place, immediately the first person to come as a policeman. So police came to that place. Soapy was standing there. He thought police will arrest him. He thought, he smiled and he saw the cop, right? What he thought? He thought the cop will arrest him. Where is the man that did that? Asked the cop. Don't you think that I might have done it? Said Soapy. He was friendly and happy. What he wanted was coming towards him. So first plan also flopped and the second plan also is going to be a flop here. So where is the man that did that? Asked the cop. The policeman was asking to him, who is the person who did that? Don't you think that I might have done it? Said Soapy. Only I did. I did the mistake. I threw the stones. He was friendly and happy. The policeman didn't believe that. What he wanted was coming towards him, but the policeman didn't believe. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. So the policeman mind is not considering Soapy as a criminal. Why? Because he is talking very softly, very friendly towards a policeman. Men who break windows do not stop there to talk to cops. Policeman replied, the person who broke the window will not stay and he will not talk to the police. That was a policeman answer. That was a cop's answer. They run away as fast as they can. So they will move off from this place as fast as they can. The cop saw a man further along the street running. So the policeman was searching for a man who was running. He ran after him and Soapy, sick at heart, walked slowly away. He had failed 2 times. Now this was a second attempt. Second attempt was also failed. So a short recap of the second attempt. What was the first attempt? Going to a big restaurant and having a dinner. That was a utter flop. The second one was throwing a stone in a glass window. The cop was standing in front of him, but he didn't believe that the person who was in front will not do that mistake. So Soapy was sick. He walked very slowly. So cop also did not believe him. This plan is also a big flop for him. So he had failed 2 times. So what is the third attempt here? Can you able to guess? Yes, across the street was another restaurant. It was not so fine as the one on Broadway. The people who went there were not so rich. Its food was not so good. Into this, Soapy took his old shoes and his torn clothes and no one stopped him. He sat down on a table and was soon eating a big dinner. So this was the third attempt. So let us see what happens to him after the third attempt. We'll see in the next session, dear. Thank